the Scottish Science Society Weekly Science Updates podcast. This is Olivia Montgomery. Hello, and welcome to Science Weekly, your 5-minute update on the biggest science stories of the week. In the next few minutes, we'll be journeying from the origins of humanity to the far reaches of our solar system and even looking deep inside our own DNA. First up, a groundbreaking discovery that could rewrite the first chapter of the human story. New research from New York University provides the strongest evidence yet that one of our earliest relatives, Sahelanthropus tchadensis, was walking upright as far back as 7 million years ago. Scientists analyzed a femur and forearm bones found in Chad, and using 3D modeling, they identified features previously only seen in hominins. That's the group that includes modern humans and our extinct ancestors. This suggests that bipedalism, the ability to walk on two legs, evolved much earlier than we thought, and that it was a gradual process. Our ancestors were likely comfortable both in the trees and on the ground, taking their first upright steps long before we previously imagined. From our ancient past to the future of our planet. Scientists at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign have developed a revolutionary new tool that lets them watch plants breathe in real time. The Stomata Insight system combines high-powered microscopy with precise environmental controls to observe the tiny pores on leaves called stomata as they open and close. This is crucial because stomata control how plants take in carbon dioxide and release water. Understanding this process could be the key to developing crops that are more resistant to drought, a vital innovation in a world facing the challenges of climate change. Now, for a story that takes us deep into our own genetic code. For the first time, scientists have reconstructed the ancient genomes of two common herpesviruses from human remains that are over 2,000 years old. By analyzing nearly 4,000 ancient skeletons from across Europe, researchers from the University of Vienna and the University of Tartu have shown that these viruses have been evolving with us since at least the Iron Age. This provides the first direct genetic evidence of this long and intimate relationship, and it's helping scientists understand how these viruses have changed over millennia. In other news, it's a disappointing update for those of us hoping for alien life on Jupiter's moon, Europa. While Europa's vast hidden ocean has long been considered a prime candidate for extraterrestrial life, new research from Washington University in St. Louis suggests it may be too calm and cold to support living organisms. The study indicates that Europa lacks the volcanic activity and hydrothermal vents that create energy-rich environments on Earth's ocean floors. So, while the ocean is there, it might be a very quiet and perhaps lifeless place. And finally, a story that could have a real impact on many of our lives. A major review of clinical trials has found that regular physical activity can be as effective as psychological therapy for easing the symptoms of depression. The Cochrane review, led by Professor Andrew Clegg, found that light to moderate exercise in particular can lead to significant improvements. While it's not a cure-all, this research highlights that exercise is a powerful, safe, and accessible tool for managing mental health. And that's all for this week's Science Weekly. Join us again next time for another 5-minute dive into the latest scientific discoveries. I'm Olivia Montgomery. Thanks for listening.